Again, a blessed Wednesday and happy Labor Day to us. Makalingaw man ng ako bitaw siya kung katawa bitaw pamalanong Labor Day niya, way trabaho. Anyway, what is so interesting here is, even if, actually I was about to read the gospel for today, no, because the celebration is an optional memorial. But since we are Josephites mapod, no, apart from being Marian, we are also Josephites. Diba? Every Wednesday we also pray in honor of Saint Joseph, no, consecration to Saint Joseph. Now, what is at the basis of this very important celebration, as we call it? Now, this is, as we have already been reminded in the first reading today, it goes back to the very order of creation. That work is part of creation itself. In fact, creation is the work of God. But then it is in view or in reference to the day after which man has to rest. No? That's the reason why there is no conflict in the title Labor Day, but there is a dual perspective of it. That those who work deserve to rest. Okay? But those who rest should also work in order that the rest will become meaningful and fruitful. Why do we rest? Because we are tired. No? We are tired because we work. And so this is where we see the very wisdom of God who worked, who created everything. No? He even works on our behalf. No? Dili man nato madala tanan. No? That's why we are always open to His graces, to His interference in life, no? His providence. But what comes out at the end or at the heart of it is the gratefulness that we have, which is also from the heart, that we thank Him for the opportunity of having work, and we also thank Him for the occasion or for the moments to rest. And this is precisely the very point that even in the Gospels, even in sending His Son, He did not send His Son as a floating man. No? He sent His Son to be born in a carpenter's family. In fact, carpenter there is not just a very appropriate word, but the real word there in the original Greek is artisan. No? Dili lang siya panday, kundi kabalo siya mo kuri-kuri og daghan ba si Joseph. And that's why we celebrate Saint Joseph the worker today. But it is through him that even the Son of God learned what it means to have a work, what it means to actually do the things that human beings do. After all, He became man like us. And so this is now the very perspective that we have in mind. Now, in the gospel reading for today, supposed to be, which is the vine and the branches, diba? Basa naman po na nato anyway last Sunday. It's also a reminder that we cannot do anything outside or apart from the vine itself. As branches of the vine, we continue the work that God has given us. And this is the blessed work that we actually possess, that we actually receive as His gift. And because this is a blessed work, we give it to Him as a blessing as well, inasmuch as we do also reach out to our brothers and sisters. And this is what a beautiful day is. It's a day of miracle. It's a day of good deeds. It's a day of rest. And it's a day of treasuring the benefits that we can get, that we have to get from the labors or the many things that we do, because this is God's gift after all. We ourselves being created in the image and likeness of God. Amen.